Yes. Good afternoon to all of you. What we have discussed in previous lecture? Previous lecture, what we have discussed? Can you tell me, please? Previous lecture, what we have discussed? Hello? Give a reply, anyone, please.
Numericals.
Numerical. Okay. 2 numericals we have solved yesterday. So again, we will solve after completion of this theory concept, single phase and 3 phase, and then we will solve the numericals 2 or 3 lectures. In 2 or 3 lectures, clear? So today we are going to discuss 3-phase off control converter fed separate excited DC motor. 3-phase off control converter fed separately excited DC motor. So what it means? What it means? What it means? What is the meaning of this heading? What is the meaning of this heading? Can you tell anyone? Anyone, please? Arbaz Sheikh Arbaz. Are you there? Kundan Singh. Kundan Singh. Please mute yourself. Kundan Singh. Otherwise, I will take absent. Arbaz Sheikh. Sheikh Arbaz. Shraddha.
Yes, sir.
Can you give what is the meaning of this heading? What is the meaning of this heading? 3-phase off control converter fed separately excited DC motor. What is the meaning of that? Mane Ashwini. Mane Ashwini.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell what is the meaning of this topic? Meaning of this title? Also, we performed the practical also. प्रैक्टिकल भी किया था लास्ट वीक. उसका मीनिंग क्या है? टेल इन वन सेंटेंस. एनीवन? टेल इन वन सेंटेंस. अश्विनी. Why we are connecting this converter here? Anyone? In between supply and motor, Why we are connecting the converter? What is the necessary?
Control the speed of the motor.
Yes. Who told the answer?
Pile.
Payal. Yes, right answer, Payal. But no one is giving the answer. Okay, to control this, we are using the converter here for the purpose of for converting the AC to DC. Okay, and for controlling the voltage. For controlling the voltage. Okay, where voltage is controlled. Okay, whenever voltage is controlled, the speed of this motor is controlled. Means what is the meaning of this title? The separately excited DC motor, the speed of the separately excited DC motor is controlled through the three-phase of controlled converter. That is the meaning of this title. All of you got the point? Shraddha? Shraddha, please.
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell? Again, I will repeat you. I'm not getting voice. Again, I will repeat you, please. The speed of this separately excited DC motor is controlled by using the three-phase of control converter. That is the meaning of this title. Clear? The speed of the separately excited DC motor is controlled by using the three-phase of control converter. Clear? Now, what is the operation of this circuit? Already we have discussed number of times. In power electronics also we have discussed how we are getting the waveforms. What is the operation of this three-phase off control converter? What is the operation of this three-phase half control converter? Supplies is AC or DC? Supplies AC or DC, please. Supplies which one? AC or DC? कौन सा है? पायल?
Yes, sir.
सप्लाई कौन सा AC or DC? Supply is which one? AC or DC?
AC.
Single phase or three phase?
3-phase.
Three phase, exactly. Okay, so means this three-phase AC supply is given to the three-phase of controlled converter. Three-phase AC supply is given to the three-phase of controlled converter. So this three-phase of control convert will convert the AC to DC. Okay, and this DC is given to the this motor. This DC is given to the this motor, armature terminals and this motor. So here we are not doing any controlling at the field side. Here we are not doing any controlling at the field side because we are controlling the speed by using the armature voltage. So by controlling the armature voltage, so we can control the speed of the DC motor. Clear? So this is the three-phase AC supply. This is the three-phase AC supply. R phase, okay, Y phase, B phase, whatever we can write, or A phase, B phase, and C phase. A phase, B phase, and C phase. These are the three-phase voltages. These are not line voltages. So how we are getting the output voltage waveform in three-phase of control converter? How we can get the output voltage waveform? Can you give the idea, any idea, please? When the T1 is turned on, okay. When the T1 is turned on, can anyone tell please? T1 कब turn on होता है? T1 कब turn on होता है? If the firing angle alpha is equal to 60 degrees, alpha is equal to 60 degrees. When the T1 is turned on, can anyone tell please? T1 is connected to which phase? T1 is connected to which phase? Please tell me. The T1 is connected to which phase? Anode terminal of the T1 is connected to which phase? Supply. कौन सा supply को connected है? Roll number 2. Roll number 2, please.
A.
A phase. Right answer. Clear? The anode terminal of T1 is connected to the phase A voltage. So what is the condition to turn on this thyristor? When the phase A voltage is more positive and firing angle. Okay, the T1 is turned on at omega t is equal to pi by 6 plus alpha. Pi by 6 plus alpha. Pi by 6 क्यों बोलते अपन? Because when the phase A voltage is more positive and then we are applying the firing angle. This is the point when the phase A voltage is more positive. Clear? This is the point when the phase A voltage is more positive. So this one. Okay, this point plus firing angle. Firing angle कितना है? 60 degrees. So what is this point? Pi by 6, 30 degrees. This one 30, 60, 90. Okay, 120, 150, next 180. Clear? 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. Clear? So T1 is turn on. T1 is turn on at omega t is equal to pi by 6 plus alpha. Alpha है ना? Pi by 6 plus alpha, how much? Alpha how much? What is the value of firing angle here? What is the value of firing angle?
60.
60 degrees. Pi by 6 plus 60. What is the value of pi by 6 plus 60? Pi by 6 कितना है? 180 by 6 कितना है?
30.
How much? 180 by 6 is equal to 30. 30 plus 60?
90.
90 degrees. Means the T1 is turn on. Sorry. The T1 is turn on at omega t is equal to 90 degrees. Clear? So 90 degrees कहाँ पे इधर? Exactly this point. This is the 90 degrees. This is the 90 degrees. From here, the T1 is turn on. From here, the T1 is turn on. Clear? So like this same way, can you tell anyone T2 when the T2 is turn on? T2 turn on कब होता है? T2, the anode terminal of this T2 is connected to which phase? The
B.
anode terminal of this T2 is connected to which phase?
B.
B phase. Right answer. Okay. So means what is the condition for turning on the T2? T2 कब turn on होता है? When the phase B voltage is more positive plus firing angle. Clear? Phase B voltage. This is the A phase. This is the B phase. This is C phase. A phase, B phase, and C phase. Phase B voltage more positive कहाँ पे? At this point. Okay. Phase B voltage more positive from this point. This is which point? 150 na? 150 na? This is the 150 na? 150 ना ये वाला? Yes or no,
Yes,
please?
sir.
Yes. T2 will start at omega t is equal to T2 will start at omega t is equal to 150 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? How we can write 150 in terms of radians per second? 5 pi by 6 लिख सकते हैं ना? Can we write 5 pi by 6? Yes, right. 5 pi by 6 plus firing angle. Firing angle how much? How much firing angle? 60 degrees. So what is the value of this one? 5 pi by 6 plus 60. 5 pi by 6 is nothing but 150. 150 plus 60 to
210.
210 degrees. हेलो, हाँ बोलो ना. Okay, T2 will start at omega t is equal to 210 degrees. टू 10 डिग्रीज कहाँ पर इधर? 210 डिग्रीज कहाँ पे? 150 प्लस 60 कहाँ से कहाँ तक आएगा? प्लीज टेल मी. यही पॉइंट है ना? यहाँ पे है ना?
हाँ सर.
210 degrees. Clear? So from here the T2 will turn on. So here T1 is turn on from this point. Okay, and until up to what time the T1 is turn on? Okay, the T1 is turn on up to when the phasor voltage is positive. When the phasor voltage goes negative, automatically it will be turn off. Automatically it will be turn off. Clear? Is it right? So next, T3 कब turn on होता है? When the T3 is turn on. T3 turn on कब होता है? Please tell me. T3 कब turn on होता है? T3 is connected to which phase supply?
C.
C phase. Clear? So when the phase C voltage more positive plus firing angle. Phase C voltage more positive कौन सा है? This point. Can you tell what is this point? Here I have written 9 pi by 6 है ना? This point है ना? Phase C voltage more positive. Screen is visible? I have
Yes,
written
sir.
with pen. I have written with pen 9 pi by 6. Clear? 9 pi by 6 plus alpha. This point. Clear? So 9 pi by 6 plus alpha. T3 will turn on at omega t is equal to 9 pi by 6 plus 60. What is the value of this one? 9 pi by 6 plus 60. 9 pi by 6 nothing but 9 into 30. 9 into 30 means 270. 270 plus 60. 270 plus 60.
330.
330 degrees. T3 will turn on at omega t is equal to 330 degrees. T3 will turn on at omega t is equal to 330 degrees. 330 degrees kahan pe? This is the 300, sorry, 9 pi by 6, 270. 270 plus 30, 300. 300 plus 30, 330 like this. Yahan pe. Okay. T3 will turn on from this time. So T2 कब तक turn on हो रहता है? T2 until the T2 will be turn on until the phase B voltage positive only. When the phase B voltage is negative, automatically turn off. Is it right? From this point, phase B voltage is negative. So from this point, the T2 will be turn off. The T2 will be turn off. Is it right? Okay, this is the first step. So just wait, I will just wait. Just wait 1 minute. Yes, sorry for that. So T3 will start at omega is equal to 330 degrees. Clear? Again, cycle is repeated. Cycle is repeated. फिर again A phase is starting. Okay. This point plus firing angle, again T1 is starts. Again T1 is starts. From this point. Again T1 is starts. Okay, T3 will turn off from this period. T3 will be turned off from this period at this point because the phase C voltage goes to negative. So automatically it goes to turn off. Okay, this is the positive group. This is the positive group. So here which thyristor will be turned on during this period? Which thyristor will be turned on during this period? Phase C voltage more positive. Phase C voltage more positive means T3 is turned on. T3 is turned on. Okay, and from this point to this point, T3 is in off condition. Next. Next, this is the negative group devices. This is the negative group devices. Negative group devices, what are those? नेगेटिव ग्रुप डिवाइसेस कौन सा थायरिस्टर से कि डायोड से? प्लीज टेल मी which devices are connected in negative group? Which devices are connected in negative group? Please tell me. Am I audible, all of you? It is on the screen. Please tell me. Diode से कि thyristor से? Which devices are connected in the negative group? Which devices are connected, please? Payal. Payal. Ashwini. Ashwini. Chavan Pooja. Roll number 5. Chavan Pooja. Roll number 9. Roll number 9. Vaishnavi. Can anyone give the answer, please? Which devices are connected in the lower group? Can anyone give the answer, please?
Diodes.
So why are not given the answer? कब से बोल रहा था मैं? Diodes are connected. Clear? So when these diodes will be turned on. Now we have checked the phase sequence of the thyristor T1, T2, T3. Now we have to check the phase sequence of the diodes D1, D2, D3. When it will be turned on and when it will be turned off. When the D2 is turned on and D2 is turned off. When the D3 is turned on and when the D3 is turned off. So this we have to check. So how we can check this conducting phase sequence of the diodes? So here the diode is connected to which phase? Please tell me. The diode is connected to which phase?
C.
The D1 is connected to which phase?
A phase.
A phase. Yes, right answer. So cathode terminal is connected or anode terminal is connected? Cathode terminal or anode terminal? Which terminal is connected to the A phase?
Cathode.
Cathode, exactly. So here the T1 anode terminal is connected to the A phase. The cathode terminal of D1 is connected to the A phase. Means exactly opposite. So when the phase A voltage is more positive, and by applying the firing angle, the T1 is turned on. So but here D1 will, when the D1 is turned on, when phase A voltage is more negative. Are you got the point? So exactly reverse. When the phase A voltage is more negative. Clear? Then the D1 is turned on. So here no need to give the firing angle because there is no gate terminal here. Okay, the diode is not having any gate terminal. So when the phase A voltage is more negative means it will act as a positive voltage for the diode. When phase A voltage is more negative, okay, this is the phase A voltage. When phase A voltage is more negative, it will act as a sorry, this voltage is act as a positive for the diode D1. This voltage is act as a positive for the diode D1. Clear? So here you can see the diode D1 will turn on. The diode D1 is turned on from this point because sorry, phase A voltage कहाँ पे more negative है? This point ना. When the phase A voltage is more negative, phase voltage. This is the phase voltage. This point is more negative, na? Yes or no? Say yes or no, please. Say yes or no, please. This is the phase B voltage more negative. But here, in this period, no device is turned on from the upper group. So the D1 is no chance to conduct the turn on. So the D1 will be turned on from this point. D1 will be turned on from this point. Clear? So you can see here, the D1 is turned on from this point. Okay. When phase A voltage is more negative, sorry, when phase A voltage is more negative, this point, the D1 is turned on. Next, D2 is connected to phase B voltage. D2 is connected to the phase B voltage. So when the phase B voltage is more negative, when the phase B voltage is more negative than the other two phases, then the D2 is turned on. So more negative कहाँ पर होता है? More negative this point. Clear? More negative कहाँ पर रहता है? More negative from this point, D2. Next, when the D3 is turned on, when the D3 is turned on, please tell me. D3 कब turn on होता है? When the phase C voltage is more negative. When the phase C voltage more negative, then D3 will be turned on. So when the phase C voltage is more negative, when the phase C voltage is more negative from this point, exactly this point, D3 will turn on. Clear? D3 will be turned on. So like the same here also, which phase voltage is more negative here? Phase B voltage. Phase B voltage means D2. D2 will be turned on here. Clear? So again, phase C voltage is more negative from this point. So phase C voltage more negative means, phase C voltage more negative means which diodes will be turned on? D3. D3. Clear? So here, observe it very carefully. When the D1 is conducted from which point to which point? From this point is turned on. So it will be turned off at this point because D1 is conducts only when the supply is coming from this through this circuit. When the supply is coming through this circuit. But here, at this point, no devices are connected from the upper group. No devices are connected from the upper group. Is it clear? So no devices are connected on the upper group means no supply is coming from the through this circuit. So the D1 is also automatically turned off. The D1 is also automatically turned off. Like the same way here, from this point to this point, like the same way here, from this point to this point. So no devices are connected in the upper group. So automatically the D2 will be turned off at this point. So like the same cycle is repeated. Okay, DT is also turned off at this point and no device is connected in this period. So in this period, no devices are connected. No devices are connected. So what will happening in this period? What will happening in this period? Here the freewheeling diodes connected. Here the freewheeling diode is connected across the load circuit. Here the freewheeling diode is connected across the load circuit. So whenever the T1, you can observe here, T1 D3 is turned on. T1 D3 is turned on. So the current is flowing. The current is flowing. The current is flowing in which direction? When the T1, D3 is turned on, the current is flowing through the T1, through the load circuit, through the motor, and through the D3, and it will exit the C phase. This is the path for flowing the current when the T1 and D3 is turned on. Is it right? Is it right or not? Say yes or no. Say yes or no, please. When the T1 and D3 is connected, this is the path for flowing the current. Clear? A phase,
Yes,
T1,
sir.
T1 motor, and D3 and C phase. So what is the path for flowing the current? VA, next T1, next लोड लिख सकते हैं अपन डायरेक्टली. लोड मीन्स टोटल सर्किट. नेक्स्ट लोड के बाद आफ्टर दैट लोड वेयर द करंट इज फ्लोइंग. लोड के बाद D3 के थ्रू जाएगा ना करंट. D3 के थ्रू करंट जा रहा है ना इधर. D3 एंड एग्जिट कहाँ हो रहा है करंट? कौन सा फेज के थ्रू? C फेज के थ्रू.
Link.
क्लियर? सो मीन्स स्टार्टिंग कौन सा फेज से? ए फेज. और एग्जिट कौन सा फेज से हो रहा है? सी फेज. मीन्स विच वोल्टेज इज प्रेजेंट अक्रॉस द लोड सर्किट? VAC. Which voltage is present across the load circuit? VAC. Clear? So like the same way here the VAC voltage is present. Here also we can draw waveforms like this. Okay, so from this point VAC voltage is present like this. Clear? Which voltage this one? VAC. Okay. समझ में आ रहा है क्या कॉन्सेप्ट? Are you getting my points, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just wait. Okay, this is which waveform? Output voltage waveform. Okay, VA is equal to V0. VA is equal to V0. Next, from this point to this point, from this point to this point, which point? This point. This point to this point. कौन सा devices turn on है? Which devices are turn on from this point to this point? Upper group से T2 turn on है, lower group से D1 turn on है. Is it right? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Next, so see the circuit diagram again. Now how the current is flowing? Can anyone tell please? How the current is flowing? How the current is flowing? कौन सा device turn on है? T2 and D1. T2 and D1. So T2 is connected to which phase?
B phase.
B phase. Means the current will entry through the B phase, through the T2, through the load, and कौन से device को through जाएगा? T2 and
C phase.
T2 and D1 ना? T2 and D1 टर्नर है ना?
Yes, sir.
D1. Okay, this is the exit current. Now the current is entering from the B phase and the current is exiting from the A phase. So what is the path for flowing the current? VB, VB के बाद
T2.
T2, next T2 के बाद after T2 load,
Load.
after load
D1.
D1, after D1
VA.
VA. Exactly right answer. Clear? So means the current is a entry from the B phase and current will exit from through the A phase. So means which voltage is present across the load circuit? V, B, A. This line voltage is appeared across the these terminals, armature terminals. Clear? V, B, A. So like this same way we can draw here. V, ये कौन सा वोल्टेज है? V,
BA.
A. Next, from this point to this point, this point to this point, कौन सा which devices are turned on?
D2. T3.
T3 and D2. Clear? So now I can check the wave path. T3 and कौन सा है?
D2.
T3 and D2. So how the current is flowing? T3 कौन सा phase connected है? C phase. Means the current will be entry through the C phase, through the T3, through the motor. कौन सा डायोड टर्न ऑन है नीचे?
D2.
D2. D2 कौन सा फेस कनेक्टेड है? B फेस का ना? The
Yes,
current
sir.
will be
Yes.
exit B phase. Current will be entry through from the C phase. Current will be exit from the B phase. So now what is the path for flowing the current? रास्ता
VC.
करंट फ्लो होता है VC,
T3.
T3,
Load.
load,
D2.
D2, next D2 के बाद
VB.
VB. So current will entry from C phase, exit from the B phase. So which voltage, the line voltage will be appear across the load, that is the VCB. That is the VCB. Clear? So here also, just wait. Sorry. Which voltage is present? VCA, na? Clear? This is the VCA. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, like this same way here also you can draw. So यहाँ पे क्या voltage है? T3 and D2. T3 and D2 means VCB ना? VCB. Clear?
VCA ना sir.
D2 कौन सा फेस कनेक्टेड है? D2 फेस B का ना? D2 फेस B का ना? T3 is फेस C. Sorry. T3 कौन सा फेस कनेक्टेड है? चेक इट. C फेस. And D2 कौन सा फेस कनेक्टेड? B phase, VCB है ना,
हाँ yes sir.
VCB, VCB, clear? So this is the output voltage. Okay, from this point to this point, no devices are connected. Okay, so the output voltage is 0. Output voltage 0. So, but what about the output current? What about the output current? What about the output current? Here the inductance is connected in the load circuit. Please remember. Here the inductance is connected in the load circuit. So if the inductance is connected in the load circuit, the output current will become a continuous. The output current will become a continuous. Clear? Armature current IA is equal to RI0, output current. Clear? So the output current is flowing. Okay, T3 and D2 is turned on here. So the output current is like this, but no devices are turned on during this period. But during this period, here the freewheeling diode is turned on. Okay, whatever the energy stored in this period, okay, in this period, so that energy will be released. That energy will be released through this period. Okay, so how the energy will be released? How the energy will be released? So whatever the energy stored in inductance, this energy will be released through this circuit when the no devices are connected from the upper group and lower group. Clear? So एक भी device connect नहीं हुआ, जब जो भी energy storage रहता है inductance में, that energy will be released through this freewheeling diode. Clear? So means here in this period, the freewheeling diode is turned on. The freewheeling diode is turned on during this period. Freewheeling diode is turned on. Is it right? Okay, when the freewheeling diode is turned on, okay, during this period, then what will happening? The output voltage 0. Output voltage 0. Output voltage 0, but the current is flowing through the circuit like this. Okay, but the current will not become a 0, but output voltage 0, because whenever this diode is turned on, so these two terminals will be short circuited. So when these two terminals will be short circuited, voltage at this point is 0. Voltage at this point is 0. So that's why voltage is 0, but the current is flowing. So like the same way, for again the current is increasing, again the current is decreasing. Current is increasing, decreasing like this. This is the output current of the three-phase semi-control converter. This is the output current of the three-phase semi-control converter. So if you select the right value of the inductance, then we can make it as a continuous. Like this. So that is this continuous current is depends upon the value of the inductance. Continuous current is depends upon the value of the inductance. Is it right? Are you got this concept? All of you got this concept?
Yes sir.
So next, so here, so already I had drawn the waveforms by using the pen and paste. Okay, so from this waveforms you can easily find out the output voltage waveform. V0 is equal to the output voltage waveform is in one full cycle of the supply voltage from 0 to 2 pi. How many pulses are present? How many pulses present from 0 to 2 pi? कितने pulses present है? 1, 2, यहाँ पे half and remaining half here. Total कितने? How many pulses present? 3 है ना? 3 pulses present है ना? So then we can write V0 is equal to number of pulses present in the output voltage waveform in one full cycle of the supply voltage 3 by 2 pi integral from what point to which point, from which point to which point the output voltage is present, from pi by 6 alpha to 4 pi by 6 plus alpha. Is it right? Is it right or not? Pi by 6 plus alpha. I'm audible, all of you? Pi by 6 alpha to 4 pi by 6. 4 pi by 6 plus alpha. Clear? So which voltage is present? VAC. VAC. Okay, VAC into d omega t. VAC into d omega t. This is the line voltage. So line voltage का अपन की equation निकालना पड़ेगा. Okay, remaining equation we will derive in the next lecture.